Homemade serum for hair growth. This is a completely natural serum for hair growth that contains various beneficial oils. Hair growth serum recipe. Take a 4 ounces amber glass dropper bottle, and pour in it 1 ounce each of grapeseed and jojoba oil, and 2 teaspoons of Jamaican black castor oil. Now, into the same bottle add 7 drops each of lavender, thyme, rosemary, and cedarwood essential oil. Close the bottle, and give it a good shake to combine the ingredients. Store it in a cool and dry place, away from sunlight. How to use it. Take a small amount of the serum, and massage it onto your scalp, 1 or 2 hours before taking a shower. To facilitate the better hair growth, consider using a sulfate-free shampoo after applying the serum. For the best results, use this hair growth serum 2 times a week. The benefits of the ingredients. The essential oils we use in our recipe are known to promote hair growth because they stimulate the blood circulation within the hair follicles and offer other benefits, such as scalp oiliness control and the soothing of inflammation. Grapeseed and jojoba oil work as carrier oils, and besides that, they also nourish the scalp and encourage hair growth. A bonus recipe. This serum recipe will not only help grow stronger hair, but it will also contribute to healing the damaged hair. Take a 2 ounces glass spray bottle, and fill it up almost fully, with the fractionated coconut oil. Now add in 5 drops each of ylang ylang and lavender essential oil, and 4 drops of rosemary essential oil. Cap the bottle and shake well to mix everything. You will need to shake it before each use. To use, make 2 to 4 sprays on your wet hair right after your shower, and massage your hair and scalp gently. If you have oily hair, use distilled water instead of the fractionated coconut oil.